Shenzhen RainBow factory since 2013. We are a lean manufacturing plant with many years in the beauty and wellness industry. We have more than 40,000 square meters placed totally in Shenzhen, Guangdong, and Jiaxing, Zhejiang, can not only offer high-efficiency ODM/OEM service, but also can support customers by two-place shipping transfer convenience. Our main customers include the top 10 supermarkets and retailers and brands in different countries. A total of over 10 million products has been sold to over 47 countries, such as ALDI, LOTTE, KMART, and so on. With the 10 engineers team, RainBow is confident to provide our customers OEM and ODM service. It includes the free ID design, software programming, PCBA, and structural design. Every item production is strictly according to CE, RoHS certificate standard, fully tested with our strict quality control process to ensure each qualifies before the shipment. We did serve top companies like Bosch and BYD. We have our own module workshop, injection workshop, spray workshop, silkscreen workshop, production assembling workshop. We help customers save 20% and 30% lead time by our one-stop service and offer thoughtful solutions for LED mask and infrared hat, LED infrared panel, car aroma diffuser, dental cleansing, breast comp. Thanks for watching. Any questions? Please feel free to contact our website www.rainbow.com.